السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. This video I will share for you how to install or how to write a digital article using the mobile phone. So at first I will share with you this program is document, Google document. Maybe you are saying this in Arabic here. It's called المستندات. Okay, so it is very important if you hadn't this program in your machine, you can install this from here, Google, and you will write here Google document DOC this. Okay, you can find this المستندات, Google مستندات. Okay, and in the same time you can write Google PowerPoint and you will find this Google PowerPoint. Okay students, this is the second program. You can install this program. Okay, and the last one is Google Excel. This Google Excel. Okay, you can install this program. Okay, now after installing the program, you will find the program here. For example, this is the first program. From here you can make new document. At first you will write your main title of the topic. For example, I will write about computer. So the main topic, the main title, it will be how to use the computer. Okay, this is my main title. I will select this main title as you can see here, and I will press here. From here I can choose main title. Again back, you will go for here and you will use the font, okay, like this, and you will use the main title. It will change like that. At first it was small. When you are choosing main title, it will be like that. Okay, now I want to write the paragraph, introduction or introduction for my topic. So I will write here, as you can see, hi, I will write, for example, about computer and how to use computer, for example. But here, as you can see, this paragraph is the same like the main title. So I will select this like that, and I will go here. I will choose this. It will be normal text. And now I can go on. Hi, I will write about computer and how to use computer. I can add more information. It's an example. Blue line. He is suggest for you something than the other. For example, here I am writing computer, but here he suggests for you computers. You can choose this, for example. Okay, here was, so he suggests for you to use from. Okay, you can choose this, but here I will use with. For example, components, he will say can choose components. So if there is something wrong or if there is something he suggests for you, you can write this. Okay, this is my introduction. This is small paragraph, introduction paragraph. After that, students, here I will write subtitle. So for the subtitle, I will write here, for example, what's computer? What's computer? So here I am writing what is the computer. I can write, okay, like that. And here, students, I will change this here. For example, I will go for my font and I will choose subtitle. Can you see? He changed my title like that. Before it was like that, but after choosing subtitle, it become here like that. Okay, And here I will write more information about the computer. Here I am speaking about computer. After that, what is the import here? Can you see this is subtitle and this is a paragraph. Here, for example, I can write another paragraph, subtitle, sorry. So I will write here, for example, what the important components in the computer. Okay, so here, students, I will go here and I will choose this A and I will write here subtitle. So here, students, I will write here down my topic. For example, as you can see, I can add this paragraph, but this paragraph is very big and in the same time it is not the same. I will add this paragraph. So I have here this my main title, this is the first paragraph, here this is subtitle, here paragraph, here another subtitle, here another paragraph. As you can see, students, it is very easy to write. I want to see you how will you write your topics. Thank you very much.